Hello all, welcome back to another episode on Dubai Creek Harbour. This is a master plan community by MR, and today we are here at the launch where they are opening up the District 4 on the mainland. Today I'm going to take you through the master plan of the community. Come, let's have a look at it together. Today I'm super excited to discuss with you one of the new release from MR, which is the District 4 of Dubai Creek Harbour. As we have seen the master plan before, but let me take you through in detail what is Dubai Creek Harbour. It's a new downtown coming up very soon. We have the phase 1 which has been delivered. The phase 2 is in the process of handover. The phase 3 which was introduced back in 2024, and today in 2025 we are standing at the phase 4 launch of Dubai Creek Harbour. This community is a combination of marina and downtown with a combination of luxury and waterfront community. This is the Russell Court Road, which comes from downtown, which is located right here. It takes you to Dubai Creek Harbour in 10 minutes time. Then we have another entry and exit towards the Festival City, which is next to Al Badia Golf Community. Now, the phase 4 of the community, as we see, it is more open with very limited towers, and we see there is multiple activity areas which are placed here. We have the school to be operational from here. There's going to be a mosque in the community, and the first tower to be launched is Al Bairo. There are two towers, Al Bairo and Al Tan. Al Bairo is going to be the first tower to be launched, which is overlooking the Creek Tower, and as you see diagonally, it is overlooking the Russell Court Sanctuary and the water, as the views are not interrupted by the phase 2 of the community. Let me quickly give you the glimpse from the other side of the master plan so you get an idea of what are going to be the views of the community. So the apartments placed on the sides, on the left side of the building, is going to be overlooking the amenity area. Apartments which are here are going to be overlooking partially by the water and will have the golf facing. Apartments on the other side, on the right side of the tower, is going to be facing partial creek view, and there is going to be facing towards the Russell Court Sanctuary. And apartments on the back side of the building, which is technically the front side of the building, is going to be facing directly to the Creek Tower. So this is the diagonal view of the tower. That's Al Bairo and then Al Tana. Al Bairo is also going to have the uninterrupted views towards the Dubai skyline, Russell Court Sanctuary and the creek. And Al Tana is also going to have few apartments overlooking the Russell Court Sanctuary, creek and the Dubai skyline. So they're going to release the first tower, which is Al Bairo, and they're coming up with 1, 2 and 3 bedroom apartments. Right now I don't have the details, but as soon as I get the details, I'm going to mention it on the screen while editing the video. So if you want to know more about this project or any other project in Dubai Creek Harbour or anywhere else, the contact details are in the description below.